Is Amber Heard lying? Is Johnny Depp lying? Fuel Me Once here, driving instructor of the world. How can we know? Well, let's look at it. So this case is very different and much more difficult to win than the one in England. So why is it being tried here? Well, the op-ed that Amber wrote was done 6 months after that case in England. And Johnny's suing because he said that op-ed is what cost him work. Remember, this is a case about did Amber Heard defame Johnny Depp, not about domestic abuse. The domestic abuse is only being included. We'll talk about that later, why. So here's some of the major issues that the jury has to consider. Are her traumas related to her relationship with Johnny Depp, or her traumas something that happened from her childhood and previous relationships? That's critical because if it happened with Johnny, then that's the only relationship to consider in the trial. But if it happened before, then those other relationships can get brought in. And her former partner filed a domestic abuse charge against her, or at least alleged she committed domestic abuse against her. Johnny Depp's partners, including Kate Moss, said he was only sweet to them and they were protected with him. Now, if Johnny's right, Amber Heard committed perjury in the UK case, and that can be then brought up again because the judge ruled he believed her testimony and she was not falsifying it. Is Amber Heard acting and badly? So several linguists and body analysis experts, body language experts, indicate that yes, Amber is lying. She's shifting tenses throughout her story. She leaves out words. She says, I was laughing because I thought it was funny. He slapped me across the face. She never uses he. There's movie quotes and references being brought up. She's removing parts of her story as she tells them. She's got these tiny smiles as micro-expression. Johnny Depp has smiles, but they're always consistent with an introvert and always during an awkward situation. It's like when your mom or dad accused you of doing something and you smiled and they're like, aha, we caught you. No, you smiled because you didn't do it and there was absurdity at you being accused. She turns on emotions. The minute there's an objection, notice she turns them off and then she resumes them when the testimony resumes. She's also already lied about the poo in the bed, and I don't mean Winnie the. She's lied about giving her divorce settlement to charity. She's taken ecstasy, which she admitted that's the MDMA they keep bringing up. That's ecstasy. She also took shrooms, mushrooms. Does she have bipolar disorder? That's a huge deal in this case, and it will come up again. There's no tears on her first day of testimony and only 2 actual tears on the second. She sees the camera and poses. That's a big one. We'll talk tomorrow.